Welcome to yet another unboxing. We have another pair of shoes with the Jump Guy. And the last time we had a pair of these, I called them Air Jordans. I had some mistaken information. Actually, it's Air Jordan, and this is Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. And it's nothing to do with Louis Jordan, and he spells his name differently too. And well, I've also found out that the basketball thing, and here is the deal. There was a minor league baseball player named Michael Jordan who also dabbled in basketball, and these shoes were made to commemorate his basketball career. And the 23, that's because he once scored 23 baskets in one game. So these ones, they're bright patent leather orange. Got some stitching there. Once again, this is nice. They have a bottom. See the tongue. Come with laces. It's white and black. Look at that detail. The black, the orange, and the white. And StockX. It's because Michael Jordan also dabbled in the stock market. So anyhow, let's see, we have another shoe. And, again, we don't have any problems. They have a left and a right. And yeah, the Air Jordan Mid SE in turf orange, black, white.